How to redeem Mario Kart World on Nintendo Switch 2 bundle. First of all, turn on your Nintendo Switch 2, so press the power button to start your console. After that, open the Nintendo eShop. So from a home menu, select the orange shopping bag icon and press A. Now sign in to your Nintendo account. So if prompt, enter your login details to access the eShop. After that, select your user profile. So choose the user profile you want to register the game to. After that, look for the registration message. So a pop-up should appear saying your console includes a game to register and download. After that, select registration. So press A to proceed with registering the game. After that, confirm the registration. So a confirmation screen will appear. Select save to register the game to your Nintendo account. After that, wait for the download to start. So the game will begin download automatically, and you can check the progress on the home menu. Finally, launch the game. So once downloaded, select the game icon to start playing. And this is how to redeem Mario Kart World on Nintendo Switch 2 bundle. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.